Alright, well, off to the Arches National Park, and we're gonna see some arches. Yay! Along here, we have just left our camp area, and we noticed that some people are rock climbing. I guess they come out here and just rock climb along this area. Right over there by the Colorado Rivers on the other side. And yeah, they do all that and just enjoy what's going on. I just think this is such a beautiful view, a nice drive. Our camp was literally off in the middle of nowhere, right along. We camped right along the edge right there. As you guys saw, if you watched my other video, if not, please go watch it and check it out. It's a cool way we set up the tent and everything and all that stuff. It's all good. But anyway, yeah, here we go. We're gonna go check out the arches, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Look at you guys, I had to show you this picture. Look very close and you can see the lion's face. Do you guys see it? Well, here, I'll show you. Ah, the lion's face, so cool. I didn't realize that. Alright, we finally made it to the entrance to the arches. Yep, there's a long line. It's quite a few people actually come here around this time or whatever, all the time. I don't know. But doing my research, it does state not to come between 9 and noon, I believe it is, as there is a lot of people that do show up between that time. And you know what? It was right. Not a good timing to come. Well, I mean, it flows pretty good. We weren't like waiting forever or hours or anything like that. It flowed actually quite well. They're pretty good at what they're doing, getting people in and moving the line along. So it wasn't too bad, but yeah, there's quite a bit of a line between 9 and noon. So if you want to get in or whatever, have other things you have planned throughout the day or whatever, you either go before that or after that. But it's all good. It's all worth it all in the long run. Alright, well, there is one thing that I learned, trying to go to different spots and walking the trails and stuff like that, having the dogs. Unfortunately, the dogs are not allowed on the trails. So, a lot of the things that we actually wanted to go close up and see, we weren't able to, but learning on this trip and going through, finally just making a decision where one of us stayed back in the vehicle with the dogs. It kind of was sucky, but it was kind of nice. Well, C Smash and I got to go, and you'll see that in the further video, because unfortunately, folks, I have to make a part 2. There was so much stuff that I wanted to show you, and just so much different video that I got. I'm gonna have to have a part 2, but no big deal. I'll get it up soon. Okay, you guys, so we're at the Delivate Arches. This is a viewpoint. We brought our animals with us, so we can't go on the trails with them. But we're still gonna go check it out so you guys can get a view. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go climbing. Come on. Follow me. Okay. Now watch your step up here. You guys coming? That's kind of cool looking. That's very interesting. You coming? Come on. No. All right. You guys, look at the view. Okay. Okay, come on, let's go. Definitely a pretty walk. It's a little bit warmer day here in June, I think. Alright, we made it. I think it's that over there. That's gotta be it, yeah. Can you zoom in? Let's see. All right, sea smash. Whew.
Say cheese.
Nope. There you go. Okay. All right, you guys, we're back down now. That was a half a mile hike, half a mile back. Oh, was it round trip? Anyway, I'm not 100% sure. But to be honest, the viewpoint, I didn't care for it too much. I was kind of disappointed when we got up there. Yeah, sure, I can see the arches and everything, but it just don't feel like you're not getting the whole entire like purpose of being over by the arches. So it's gonna have to be something up to you. It's hot. We're here in June, and I didn't feel it was worth it for June. Maybe if it was cooler and wasn't bitten by so many mosquitoes and sweating so bad, might be a little bit better. Maybe that's why I'm a little disappointed, because I'm hot and already annoyed with mosquito bites. But you know what? I'm not saying don't come, but I'm just letting you know I was disappointed. It wasn't what I expected. Anyway, with that said, next destination, I'll see you guys. Bye for now. Alright, you guys, I think we're almost there. Let's see what's around the corner. Come on, hurry up, let's go. Follow me, let's see. I'm hearing that we're almost there. Alright. Ready? Don't fall over the edge though.